In case of magnet, if magnet is broken into small pieces, each piece behaves as a magnet and each piece having south and north pole, but not possible for all types of materials. Some materials, it is found whenever those are broken into small pieces, their properties are going to change. This change in property studied by different scientists. Those are optical properties, mechanical properties, electrical properties, magnetic properties, etc. It is found as the dimension of particle is decreased. For decrease in dimension, the properties are varying. Whenever the particle size becomes of the order of 10 raised to 9 meter, it is known as nanometer. Their properties are changed to the large extent from that of the bulk material, and therefore this dimension, due to further important use, treated as nanoparticle of that material. Usually, nanoparticle is not considered in this way specifically. Practically, say 25 nanometer to 100 nanometer, such accumulation of particles behave as nanoparticle. This nanoparticle, in practice, their properties are changed dependent on specific condition. What it is say? Quantum confinement. One it is say quantum confinement, and second it is say surface to volume ratio. The quantum confinement means, suppose we are having the conductor having 3 dimensions, electron having freedom to free in 3 dimensions. But whenever we consider a plain lamina having certain length and certain breadth, but thickness is of 1 nanometer, then such a lamina shows that the electron having freedom in only 2 dimensions, and due to this, the electron having freedom for conduction, this structure is known as, say, quantum wave. This is known as quantum wave. And in particular situation, whenever we are considering a wire having length in meters, but its diameter is in nanometer, such a wire shows the freedom for motion of electron only along the length. This is known as quantum wire. And in third case, there is a dimension of material having length, breadth and thickness is of the order of a nanometer. Such dimension is known as, say, quantum dot. Such dimension is known as quantum dot. These 3 basic behaviors are the quantum confinement. Whenever these are considered in this way, there is variation of basic properties of bulk material. In second case, surface to volume ratio. In this situation, it is found as the particle size is decreased to the smaller, the number of particles on the free surface are increasing. Their surface area is increasing, and therefore the surface to volume ratio is decreasing. This change in surface to volume ratio changes much of the basic mechanical properties, optical properties and electrical properties. In this way, the change in properties from bulk to the nanoparticle size dependent on quantum confinement and surface to volume ratio. Different properties of these nanoparticles can be studied in simple way. One, that is a optical property. There are so many optical properties of the materials. One of the optical property is wavelength. Wavelength corresponds to color. As we are knowing, monochromatic means single color, single wavelength. This clearly means the chrome means color means wavelength. Each wavelength corresponds to the specific property, that is optical property. Optical property is specific property is optical property. Optical properties are different, but color is one of the optical property of the materials. Whenever particle we consider, those are having the particular wavelength, and these particles emitting this wavelength determine their color. The color is dependent on transition energies, and this is a higher energy level, say E2, this is a lower energy level E1. Whenever the transition takes place in this way, there is emission of photon of particular wavelength, means that color is emitted. Whenever we consider the change in size of the material from bulk to the nanoparticle, then this energy level system gets changed. Whenever this energy level system gets changed, then we are finding the transition also gets changed. This change in transition causing a different wavelength to emit than the bulk material, therefore a different color of nanoparticle is observed. In general, we know gold nanoparticles are yellow in color, but whenever we consider gold bulk materials are in yellow in color, but gold nanoparticles having a reddish color. This is usual property for gold nanoparticles. Whenever we consider the nanoparticles of different materials, then according to their emission color, those are used for different purposes, and therefore the tinted glasses having different colors, those are due to their nanoparticle colors. Now, further property that we are considering, say electrical property. Electrical property dependent on this phenomenon. Whenever we consider the quantum well, means freedom for the electron in this way. Quantum wire, freedom for the electron along the length only. And in case of quantum dot, there is a freedom in very limited space. Dependent on this, the resistivity can be considered. Resistivity of resistivity is the scattering of electron from the boundaries of the conductor's metal cations. Whenever this dimension is reduced to very small size, then there is a limitation for scattering of electron, and due to this, the scattering of electron is limited and tunneling of electron is not possible for conduction, and therefore resistivity increases. Therefore, whenever material converted from bulk to the nanoparticle size, then their resistivity decreases. Resistivity increases. This increase in resistivity is specific property of nanoparticles. Whenever we consider such a type of quantum dot, the representation of electron within that quantum dot arrangement showing the blockade structure. For this blockade, the arrangement of three-dimensional arrangement of this blockade showing opposition to the tunneling of electron. And for this, whenever we consider their IV characteristic, the IV characteristics are having staircase-like structure. These are the IV characteristics of quantum blockade due to the nanoparticles. In usual case, the IV characteristics are in this way. For bulk material, IV characteristics are straight line passing through origin. This is current, this is voltage, and this is current, this is a voltage. This variation in case of electrical properties of nanoparticles materials showing their specific use in electric field, in electronics field. Further, the properties, mechanical properties of the materials are just like stress, strain, strength and Young's modulus. It is found as the material converted from, say, bulk to the nanoparticle size, their strength are dependent on the material available. Usually, whenever impurity is there, the materials are softer. But whenever the materials are in pure form, those are harder. They are having high strength. This is found in case of nanoparticles. Whenever those are converted from, say, bulk to the nanoparticle size, those are found in pure form. Whenever those are in pure form, then in pure form, those are harder or stronger than the bulk materials. Carbon nanotube used to develop the different systems, and carbon nanoparticles are much harder than the bulk materials. Therefore, carbon nanotube is 200 times harder than usual material. The strength of the nanoparticles is much higher than the bulk materials. Young's modulus is decreased. Elasticity is decreased for nanoparticles. In this way, the different properties are going to change from bulk to the nanoparticle size, and therefore those are having large number of applications. Dependent on their properties, the carbon nanoparticles can